So, I was thinking to myself, I need a painting handle. Not just any painting handle. The best painting handle I can get. I thought about functionality and ease of use and comfort, but then I thought to myself, would that really make me happy? No. What would make me happy would be for me to be able to paint with the same gusto and sheer enthusiasm as teenage me once had. Before discovering girls and having to pay rent, I need a paint handle rooted in history, something that will inspire me, something that my heroes used and their heroes before them. And then it came to me. Channeling my inner schoolyard mentality, I went to my local game shop and I traded some old magic cards for some half-used bottles of Citadel paints, and I took those paints to my dad, and within 24 hours we had this, the perfect painting handle, and you can have your very own for free, assuming you have a 3D printer, from miscast.co. Games Workshop, if you're out there watching and you're not happy about me ripping off your paint pot design that I hold very dear to my heart, by the way, let me know and I'll happily take it down immediately. But if it helps put your legal team's mind at ease, just know we've designed this paint handle in such a way that even if we wanted it to, it cannot hold paint.